Hey guys, welcome back to Arie Amore's Makeup Room where we learn and grow together. This video is for the girlies, okay? I am here with a Barbie pink eyeshadow and lip combination video, and I'm super excited to be back with you guys. It looks so good on me. I guess I'm one of the girlies now. Before we get into the video, please make sure you do like this video, take some time to subscribe, and leave some comments down below. We are going into our Juvia's palette, guys. I love this palette. It is so pigmented like the other ones that I use. And you can see I've already dug in so many times. Let me go ahead and zoom in for you guys. Okay. Here we go. Okay. We're going to go straight into this hot pink for this look. Ooh. I'm just so excited, guys. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and build into the outer corners of my eyelids and really work that color in. I just really enjoy using Juvia's Place, as you guys can see by now. Like, I have so many of her palettes, but I just love it. And I'm not going to be, what was I going to say? I'm not even going to lie to you. Like, I did not think this pink was going to show up because I forgot to put down my white base. And I usually try to do a white base when using light colors because I really wanted to actually pop, pop, pop. But I forgot to use it. And I'm just very thankful that everything worked out because as I started to build up the color and get everything in pace, I was like, okay, Juvia's, we didn't even need that base, okay? We good where we are. So yeah, I was excited about that. Baby, look at that. We're going to go straight into this light pink and we're going to work that in right next to that hot pink and start to make them friends, okay? They're friends, they're neighbors, but they are not one, guys. I did not want it to be one. As you can see here, I was super excited about that hot pink. You know, it was very pigmented and the color showed up very, very well without having that white base. But this is a prime example why having a white base is important because I felt like the lighter pink wasn't really showing up as I would like it to. So I ended up having to really keep building and keep building and keep building and keep building and keep building until I actually got the color shade that I was going for. And even then, I don't feel like I got the shade. However, everything still worked out for this look and it still turned out very beautiful. But I'm going to do a video with a white base next. That way you guys can kind of see the difference. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX glue. This is a glitter glue and I'm actually going to place that as though I am doing a cut crease. So we're using the same cut crease motion and we're laying down that glue and I'm going to work that glue in. I don't want any chunks. I want everything nice and smooth. That way when I go in and put in some girly glitter, everything just kind of flows very well. So you guys see me using the cut crease method to apply this. Sometimes you can put a metallic before putting the glue on, and that's going to actually make your look pop even more. For this particular look, I decided not to do that. I want to skip that whole entire step. However, in the next video that I do for you guys, we're going to do the same thing with different colors, but we're going to use the white base and we're going to put a metallic before the glue just so you guys can kind of pick and choose what method you want to use. I'm going to go ahead and let that dry and go right into my white NYX liner. I really love using liners from NYX, guys. I just love when I do that little zoom in thing. But for some reason, me and white liner does not get along, baby. Me and white liner do not get along. But for some reason on this video for this particular day, it decided to do right. And maybe because I decided to really take my time applying the white. But usually when I use white liner, it smears everywhere. Like, I just don't know what it is about me and white. I can't even wear white shirts or white pants because just me and white in general do not get along. But I really wanted to use white for this look to make it pop even more. And baby, the final results were just so freaking cute. So I was trying to do this nice little shape around the eyeshadow, and then I love these little dots. I just feel like it adds a little personality to the look, a little mysterious, vibes. We're going to go straight into this gel glitter. It's pink and purple mixed together. You guys, I will have my cosmetic line available for people to check out my website. I'm hoping to release everything by December. But, you know, things do happen. So it's going to be out between December and January. But I just can't wait for you guys to use some of my products. I'll be having like eyeshadow, glitters, and lip gloss, and eyelashes. You know, all the fun stuff. And I just did my photo shoot not too long ago for my website with one of my friends. And the pictures turned out amazing. So, yeah. We're just applying the glitter and just spreading everything out evenly over that glue. And we looking good, y'all. Now I want to go ahead and do the lips. So I'm using Juvia's white primer. Once the lips are primed, I just go in with that hot pink eyeshadow and an eyeshadow brush. And we just go ahead and work that into the lips really good. Yeah. We're going to go in with some pink lip gloss, baby, right in there in the middle. And just get everything nicely smoothing. It looks really good. But I really love to mattify my lips after I do my lip gloss now. This is something new to me. I'm always doing something new. So what I do is I go in with a setting powder and a light brush. And I just pat it around my lips. And I just feel like it just brings everything together. Makes everything nice and matte. And it makes sure that I get longevity out of my lip wear. And it just lasts all day. My favorite part of this is when I pull my ponytail out and I just see my locks and my makeup come together as one. And I just start to feel amazing, guys. And I want you to feel amazing. So I need you to try out this eyeshadow and lip combination and let me know what you guys think. Tag me, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my other channels, and just vibe with me, guys. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I really do hope you try it. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Until next time, Arie Amore's Makeup Room. We'll see you. Bye, guys.